Hey guys. All right, you guys, here is my wig update. It's installed. I went and had it installed. My hairstylist did it. I want to start off by saying thank you to her. First of all, Hairvivi, she said this is one of the best wigs she has ever worked with. There was a few ladies in the salon and they all said it. I'm gonna give you what I know about the wig, you guys. She said it melted into my hairline or scalp or whatever like butter. She also said that it was so easy because everything was practically already done. She did dye it, so it is like a black color. She said it was very natural hair-like. I did get it. This is all the wig, you guys. I did get it, what's it called? Bonded on, or I don't know what this is called. Glued on. They used the glue to put it on. The next time I go, I think I'm not gonna have it bonded on because I sweat a lot, because remember, I'm working out. So I'm doing a lot of sweating and everything like that. And sometime I think that this lifts. Nonetheless, she said just tie it down and it should be good to go. I haven't had any problems with it, but I would just feel comfortable with it, not because, you know, I want to sweat. That's my whole thing. I just want to get my summer body. Hello. Anyways, but yeah, she said it's really good hair, you guys. I've had it on for a while. It has done no shedding. It doesn't tingle. It doesn't knot. The quality is really, really good. I mean, I don't know much about wigs, but I know one thing. It's really easy. I don't have to do anything. My head is a really small head. She said that my head was really, really small. So she said next time, I don't know what size I got. If I got a small, medium, whatever. But she always said next time, whenever you're ordering a wig, just make sure that you get a small because you have a peanut head. I don't know. It just melted right in. This is a hairline. She didn't do a lot of plucking, a lot of anything. I'm trying not to lift up anything because I was sweating. So this part is probably me. But this is it here. I mean, this is it. This is the wig and I absolutely love it. And the best part about it is, you guys, is that my hair is completely protected underneath. So I'm here for this, like completely, totally here for it, because my hair is completely protected underneath. That's it. I mean, I don't know what to say. It's good. She said the knots were bleached. It was pre-plucked. She didn't pluck any plucking. She didn't do any of that. She didn't tweeze. She didn't do anything. She literally put it on, cut it to my face. And she did say that I had a low hairline, so it had to come down because my hairs, you know, I have real baby hairs that grow all the way around. I told you guys I didn't want any baby hairs. I don't know what this stuff is. It's probably because I worked out. That's all. But yeah, you know, it's kind of wet or whatever because I worked out. But this is what I wanted it for. I think it's amazing. I'm definitely gonna be in these for a minute. I'm already thinking what kind of style I'm gonna get next because I definitely wanna get another one. I wanna get one with layers and then I wanna get one long. I'm not a big color girl, so I don't think I'm gonna be doing any color, but I don't know. I mean, you know, I don't know. I don't know. But this is it. And I just wanted to follow back up. I know I talked to a lot of you and you're like, so girl, give us the wig update. This is it. Really, really like it. Hairvivi, thank you so much for sending this over. I truly appreciate you guys. All the information will be in the comment section. No, in the description box below. I do have a discount code, so use that if you will. I'm very, very pleased with it. I have nothing but good things to say. This is my first wig, so I can't compare it to anything, but all I can say is, for me, this is good. And that's it. If you have any questions, look at this. This really looks, can you see that? Let me see for the focus. That really looks kind of natural if you can see that there. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. I will be happy to answer you. And this is it done. My eyes are so red. Did I get sleep last night? Anyways, you guys, we are getting ready to go. Yes, I have this coat on as if it's 40 degrees outside, but I'm doing the most with this jacket. And but I wanted to show you guys the hair. It's making that part look really light. Here's what I've learned. Do not sweat or else it will be lifting. But yeah, this is it done. Babe, you could come in. I'm not getting you. Come in. Don't say, just say hi.
What's up with that jacket?
I know, right? But I like it. It's giving me a lot. It's doing the most, but I really like it. You could come over here. Oh, he's looking for his own stuff. Yeah, but this is it here, the hair. It's gonna take some getting used to, you guys. It really is, because I'm just like, oh my God, my head is so small. But look at how nice and invisible those lines are, or whatever they're called. The bleach knots, right? I mean, it's really good. No, I was telling you, we didn't cut any baby hairs, But that's, no, it's not. I'm an adult. I'm not gonna have I can't. In my hair, I have baby hairs. But this is what I was talking about, where she said my hairline comes down really low. Like my hairline is all the way down to here. So I don't know, but I really do like it. Okay, guys, I am getting ready to go. I am carrying my Dior bag. I'm so excited because I'm wearing black and white. Whatever. What else is new? And I'm gonna wear my necklace that matches my earrings. Super excited about that as well. And my fragrance of the day. Oh, I guess that's what I should tell you. You guys, I haven't decided yet. I really haven't. I don't know which fragrance of the day. Hold on. I'm gonna put you right here. I do not know. Can we do this? Yeah. I do not know what fragrance I'm wearing of the day. I just don't know. I guess, is it too dark? I hope you can see me. I told you guys I'm obsessed with this, right? Oh my gosh, it's so good, so good, so good. But I don't think I want to wear that. I wore Tube Rose Imperial a couple of weekends ago, or last weekend even. So I don't want to wear that. I don't know. I do not know which one I want to wear. Seriously, I feel I am doing like, darn, I already took my glasses downstairs. I would have gave you guys like a sneak peek of the whole look. I got these big black oversized glasses that's just looking like, excuse me, you know, I love that look. So I'm super excited, and I just can't get over this hair though. But you guys, this is it. I don't know what fragrance I'm wearing. This one here is too light for today, because even though it's the first day of spring, it's really, really cold out. This one here is by Louis Vuitton. His Hairvivi Reeves. I know I'm saying that wrong, but I'll put it on the screen. You guys, this is a beautiful rose one. I think I might be adding this to my collection. Oh my god, it's so good. But Rose de Vance by Louis Vuitton is really good too. So they're both going neck and neck right now. I don't know which one I like the most, but I have been playing with this one. I'll keep playing with it and come back. I don't know which one I'm going to choose today. I just feel like I need something. Oh, say no more, say no more. I found out what I'm wearing, you guys. Oh no. Nah, I can't wear that. I've already wore that too much. And now that I'm so excited, can you tell? Now that I'm finally going back out, I want to wear something that I haven't had a chance to wear. So I think I am going to wear, oh, I need a little bit of lipstick too. I don't know why. I'm just gonna go put my mask on, but until we get to the restaurant or wherever we're going, I will have this on. This here is a beautiful color. This is by Charlotte Tilbury. I love Charlotte Tilbury. This is not Penelope Pink. This is Pillow Talk. Oh, yeah. It's the perfect nude. It's Pillow Talk. But I really do think I know what fragrance I'm going to wear, you guys. Let me show you how it looks. Can you see that? So you see, it's just a very nudie kind of pink. I like it. I like it a lot. I'll leave it in the description box. Look at this. Can you see this? I was doing a shoot for International Fragrance Day, and this is like the mess that I have made. Oh my gosh. But yeah, it came out really good though. It's super cute. Go on my Instagram if you have not seen it and give it a double tap. Okay, so I found the fragrance I'm gonna wear. I am going to wear this one. Ooh, this Penhaligon's, you guys. Okay, it is everything, darling, and it's just making me feel so fancy and so rich and so upper echelon, and you know, one of those, and she loves that. So that is what I'm gonna wear. Never rub, okay? We just place. Never, you actually shouldn't even touch it. It disturbs the molecules. So anyways, I'm gonna spray it. Give me a moment. Now this one here is very long lasting, and I have none to waste. Some fragrances I do the sprinkler system with, but not all of them. But this one here, I don't know, I've already made like a little dent. Who am I kidding? Girl, go for it. Again, don't tell me how to spray my fragrance. Hello, excuse you. And that's it. And it's just like that. I told you, your fragrance is the last accessory you put on before you leave out the day, before you go about. Oh my gosh, this is so good. If you have not, I'm telling you, if you want to smell like that one, that girl, that boss, that babe, okay? If you want to know that you know that you know that they know, and you know that they know, this is a fragrance you need. It's super, super good. I'm gonna link it in the description box below. That is it, you guys. I am leaving. Ooh, that other one smells really good though, but it's very light. I don't know, I've just been in this luxe mood lately. Who am I kidding? I'm always here. But yeah, so I am heading out. That is the fragrance of the day. I am done. Hair is on. And it's just so light right here. I think that's just the light, because the light is hitting it, because it didn't look like that earlier. Oh, I have to put my necklace on. Hold on a second, I forgot to get my necklace. Do you guys remember when we went to get this from BCA? I wanted to put this on because I never ever wear it because I haven't really been out of the house, but I think I'm gonna wear it today. It's so dainty. Sometimes sometimes I forget, you know, when I'm wearing my jewelry to, you know, not put my fragrance on. I should put my fragrance on first and then put my jewelry on, but I always seem to forget. Thank God my fragrances have never messed up any of the jewelry that I have, even the ones that I have from like Ana Luisa or my Tiffany's, or you know, any jewelry that I have, my Chanel fashion jewelry or my fine jewelry, it just has never messed it up. Okay, what are we doing here? Oh, okay. I think I'm gonna wear it on the other side. I was thinking of getting a bracelet for this. Okay, you guys, seriously, this jacket might be a bit much. I may have to change. It might be a little bit much. Am I doing a 2 necklace day or a 1 necklace day? You guys, 2 necklaces or 1? Oh, that looks a little, I don't know. Sometimes you could be doing too much. Let's see how it will look with just 1. My hands are so ashy. I just seen it. Oh, and I'm missing a ring. Oh, I knew I was missing a ring. So yeah, I think I might just do 1. 1 is kind of cute. Yeah, I'm gonna disregard the other one. I just need 1. The other one is doing like too much, and it takes away from the, you know, the simplicity vibes that you're giving, but you're really adding something onto it. I don't know, this coat is just screaming at me. Wait till I get my big glasses. Oh, she's ready. Okay guys, I'll talk to you later. Thanks so much for taking the time to stop by and watch today's video. You are truly appreciated. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, stay fabulous. Until next time, darlings. Bye.